Today, I'll take you on a jungle boat safari in Sikiajhora River near Alipurduar. Our ride starts from Sikiajhora Eco Spot. You can get the tickets from here. And we have started the ride. The place is so beautiful, as you can see. It's like a wallpaper on a computer screen. So beautiful. And at a distance you can see a few resorts that have come up recently. And here you can see the two boatmen using long poles to row the boat and steer it on the course. The long poles which the boatmen use to row and steer the boat are called logi in the local Bengali language.
friends, we've reached the end point of the boat ride, and the boatman will take you no further up from here in the original ride. But yes, if you want to go a bit more further, you need to pay these guys, this boatman, a couple of hundred extra bucks, and they'll take you deeper into the jungle on the river. So if you want to explore deeper into the jungle, just hand over a couple of hundred extra bucks and you'll be inside. Well, it's too hot outside and now it's time to take a break. The boatmen are taking us inside into a cave-like structure which they call the AC. You see the inside is so dark, totally different from outside, and you won't believe it, it's actually cool like an AC. Now we are during the last phase of the boat ride and we are heading back to the Sikiajhora eco spot. While my friend out here is enjoying every bit of moment he can.
finally, with this, we come to the end of our ride. Hope you have liked my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.